In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meeting summaries with Grok AI, Simple Method 2026. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. This is where you'll access the Grok AI chat interface. If the page looks different from what you expect, just make sure you're on the official Grok site and you can see the main chat area ready to take your prompt. You can use Grok without an account, but logging in is helpful if you want your history and settings to stick around. Sign in quickly, and you'll be able to revisit past summaries, keep your preferences, and pick up where you left off without losing your work. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat front and center. This is where everything happens. Think of it like a smart assistant waiting for clear instructions about the meeting you want summarized. Before you type, look for the mode selector in the chat bar. You can choose Auto, Fast, or Expert. Auto is a balanced default that aims for strong results with minimal effort. Fast is great when you just need a quick outline or a high-level recap. Expert aims for deeper analysis, richer structure, and more context, which is perfect for complex meetings. Pick whichever matches your goal and time. In the chat bar, type Create Meeting Summaries. To get the best results, include the essentials right in that same message, such as the meeting purpose, the main topics covered, any decisions made, and the key action items. If you have notes or a transcript, you can paste relevant sections below your request so Grok has material to work with. Keep it clean and avoid sensitive personal details if they're not necessary. Grok will generate a detailed meeting summary. Expect a clear recap of the purpose, a breakdown of key discussion points, decisions, and a list of action items. Scan the output for accuracy and make quick edits if something needs clarification. If confidentiality matters, double check that no sensitive information made it into the final text before sharing. You can refine the result with follow-up prompts. Ask Grok to make it more concise, expand on decisions and rationales, group points by topic, or highlight action items with deadlines. You can also request a version with a short executive summary at the top, or a version that replaces names with roles to protect privacy. If timestamps exist in your notes, ask Grok to align sections with those times for easier reference. Iterate until it matches your preferred format and tone, then copy the final summary to your notes, document, or project tracker. That's it. Visit grok.com, choose your mode, prompt it to create meeting summaries, review the output, and refine with clear follow-ups. With this simple method, you'll turn meetings into clean, shareable summaries in minutes.